Okay, so here we have a very common algebra question, which requires percentages as well. So we know that x plus y, so the cream plus the milk, is equal to 20 liters of mixture. In that, we can find the fat content of the 20 liters of mixture. And we can create an equation using x and y, because we're given that there is a, 3% fat milk and 15% fat cream. So 0.03x, so 3% of x, plus 15% of y, so the cream, should be equal to 6%, so 6% fat, of the mixture, so 6% of 20. There we go, which is equal to 1.2. Then we can make an equation for y in terms of x. There we go, so we isolate y, move the x to the other side, and then we can use this and substitute it into our fat amount equation, so that we're left with an equation in only x. That way we can solve for x and then solve for y later. There we go, so we substitute it into our equation. Here's 0.03x. Okay, yeah, should be a plus 0.15 times the equation for y in x. So 20 minus x should be equal to 1.2. We'll add that in later. There we go, so we expand the brackets. 0.15 times 20 is 3, minus 0.15x. There we go. So equal to 1.2. Now what you want to do is combine your like terms. So we end up getting 0.12x because of the 0.03 minus 0.15. And then we get our numerical terms on the other side. So 1.2 minus 3, which is negative 1.8. So because we have a negative on both sides, we can make it a positive. So we'll end up with 0.12x is equal to 1.8. There we go. So 1.8 over 0.12, which is equal to 15. There we go. So now that we have x, we want to solve for y. So if we use our initial equation, x plus y is equal to 20, we can find out what y is because we have our x value already. Here we go. Y is equal to 20 minus x, which is 20 minus 15, which is also 5. So basically what this means is we have 15 liters of fat milk with a 3% fat, and we have 5 liters of fat cream with the 15% fat. There we go. That's our 20-liter mixture. I hope this helped. Enjoy your day.